For your organization that contracts external evaluators, Copania is an online platform that matches and engages you with competent evaluators, so you can create designs for impactful evaluations. On your RFP dashboard, assume your RFP is published and now available on Copania. On your dashboard, you'll see you're now in Phase 2, or Advertising. When responding to your RFP, evaluators will submit a concept note. A concept note is a short, 1 to 2 page document in which evaluators will describe the design of the evaluation and why they believe they are the most suitable evaluators to conduct the evaluation. On Copania, concept notes can be submitted by single evaluators or a consortium of evaluators. In this example, we have changed the minimum concept notes to proceed to co-creation to 2. And there are 2 concept notes that have been submitted. You can see them in the table at the bottom of your RFP page. You can hide the details about your RFP to make the concept notes easier to view. Here, the first row represents a concept note submitted by a single evaluator, and the second row, a concept note that was submitted by a consortium. Let's click on the first concept note. A new page opens and allows you to review the concept note. Some basic information, such as the title, short description, and budget, will be displayed at the top. In addition, you'll see the date for the next deadline is displayed. On this date, the advertising phase will end automatically, and you will no longer receive new concept notes. Below that, you'll see 2 budget ranges. The first is the budget range your agency has stipulated for the RFP. The second is the range the evaluator indicated for an evaluation that will meet the RFP requirements. Under the budget ranges are the competencies you included for your RFP. Because this is a single evaluator, all competency scores apply to the one individual. When you hover over a competency, you'll see the associated numeric value, unless the evaluator has marked not applicable on the ECAT for that competency, and they have not yet been evaluated by another commissioner. On the right, files such as a PDF of the concept note will be available. When you download the PDF, the evaluator will be notified. Let's go back to the RFP page and select the second concept note that has been submitted by a consortium of evaluators. On this next page, everything appears the same, except the competencies look slightly different. Copania allows a consortium to choose different members to represent specific competencies. For example, an evaluator may score higher on one competency than another, which means that the team may want to display their highest competency on the concept note. Back on the RFP page, since we select 2 for the minimum concept notes, and there are at least 2 submitted, we can move to the next phase. If you've met the minimum concept notes, you can move to the next phase before the system automatically moves you by clicking on Phase 3, Technical Exclusion, on the progress bar.